Hi, my name is Ali Ajali. I'm the owner of Ajali Architect.
I am Ricky Bonilla, and I'm the project manager here at Tysons Design Build.
We want to talk about the project that we did a couple of years ago, and we have the time lapse to share with you. We'll start with the drawings to explain to you exactly what that time lapse is. Basically, it's a small house. It has a two-car garage, basement with one bedroom, open space, full purpose brick area, and then we have the first floor. Basically, it's a dining room, open kitchen with the family sitting area, an open formal living room with a one study room, an open stair going up to the second floor. Second floor we have 4 bedrooms. 2 of them are Jack and Jill. The master bathroom at the rear of the house with a nice view. The other 3 children, one of them has its own bathroom, the other 2 are sharing the bathroom. The front elevation, and that's a roof, very simple roofing, and that's the front elevation. Basically what we are doing here, we are building the garage and the basement level, and the reason for doing that, we want to maximize the space used on the first floor and the second floor. So the challenge on this house with the site plan, as you see, the existing house was at 383 level, so basically this was the existing house at 383, and the street was at 374, so the street here was at 374. So when we did this house, basically the existing house was somewhere at 383, so this was at 383, and the street here was at 374. So for us to build this new house, we had to cut the dirt and allow the 2-car garage into the basement level, and then we built this new house as you see here. Now we can watch the time lapse here. We are doing the demolition. Okay, and we are doing this basement. This is basically the basement that you see there. So the dirt are out.
Yeah, and then comes the footing detail. The footing is poured.
Right.
And
So
then once the footing is cured, the walls start.
The wall panels there, that's a concrete wall. Framing on the framing, dining room, living room, kitchen, family room. Second floor, very good. We have 4 bedrooms, so they are building the bedroom. That's a bay window that you see. Now they are doing the roofing.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the roofing of the house. And now they are doing the front porch.
Yeah.
The front porch is this piece here in the elevation. You can see that's a front porch, and these are the steps, the concrete steps that goes down. So then we have the wrap, tie-back wrap.
Yep, tie-back wrap
before the windows. The windows installed.
The flashing is placed on each window.
Right.
That way everything is waterproof.
Now we do the stone, basically the stone at the lower part.
So first we started with the window trims, and then once the window trims are finished, the siding is placed to
place the
fill
siding.
the areas.
And then cleaning the front of the garage, regrading the front of the house, and there we put the metal roofing also for the porch. To make sure the slope is properly done. The final steps, concrete steps. And we do the driveway.
And this is a broom finished driveway, so we have to make these expansion joints,
Right.
so that the concrete doesn't crack over time.
And then we do the final grading and ready for the landscaper to come and add the sod and the shrubs and the trees.
Yeah, and we always try to protect the driveway during these situations because we don't want to dirty the concrete. And you see we also put another temporary silt fence because all this work, it still has mud involved, and we want to keep the areas around the site clean.
Now this is the landscaper. Topsoil
Oh yeah, this is,
to the around the house.
yeah. That way the new sod adheres nicely to the new landscaping.
The shrubs are by landscaper.
Sometimes you're able to choose shrubs like this so that you could not have to put metal railing.
It depends on, for example, this one definitely we need a metal railing because you see there's a big drop there. The grading, as long as it's less than 18 inch, you are good. You don't need metal railing. I hope you enjoyed watching the time lapse, the construction time lapse. But before the construction, we have to do the design and the permitting. In my opinion, the best residential design is the one that brings the family together. And the homeowner knows his or her family more than I do. Therefore, I look at them as the lead designer, and I'm here to support them and guide them and help them throughout the process to make sure that their dream house fits on that particular lot. Not all lots are same. Some of them are flat, some of them are steep slope, some of them has a $1 million view, some of them are no view, busy street. So all those are a factor on the final design. So we start with bubble diagram, something like this, and these bubbles represent each room basically, and the space program comes from the homeowner. He tells me exactly how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, all goes into this bubble diagram. It's easy to move around also. And then from here we go to a line diagram showing the connection between these spaces, and then from line diagram we go to two lines showing the walls, showing the furniture to understand the size of the room. And this is the first floor. The square footage here is about 3,800 square feet. This is the phase that we start putting the numbers together. And then the second floor is about 3,400 square feet. And the master bedroom, I always give them the best view, which is on this particular lot was at the back side of the house. And then a preliminary elevation showing what they are getting based on that design. So overall, I look at the homeowner as lead designer, and I'm here just to support them and help them to build their dream house and make sure that their dream house fits on that particular lot.